Saving face means protecting someone's dignity, especially when they are going through difficult situations. In some cultures, like in Asia, it is crucial for maintaining harmony and respect. I remember once when a coworker made a mistake during a presentation, and instead of pointing out policy, I chose to speak to him privately, which allowed him to feel supported and preventing tension within the team. Staying calm or smiling in our situation can always be helpful. This idea of saving face goes beyond cultural norms. It's something that helps with strong relationship anywhere.